candidate number 19, Earl Jenrick Gandula. Runner-up. The first runner-up, Best in Talent, Miss Sorbiñan 2009 goes to Barangay de La Paz, Gemma Espeleta, candidate number 4. Among the rest, the Best in Talent, Miss Sorbiñan 2009 goes to Barangay de La Paz, candidate number 5, JC De Jesus.
The talent competition was held last Sunday, February 1, 2009 here at the Los Maduros Bandstand in Yan Plaza. Congratulations, candidate. Number 5, JC De Jesus, our Best in Talent for Mr. Binyan. Let's present the award for our Mr. and Miss Photogenic. The photo and video shoot of the candidates was held last January 25, 2009 at the Hernandez Resort, courtesy of Mr. Willie Hernandez. Unahin na natin ang second runner-up for Miss Binyan, Miss Photogenic. Congratulations, second runner-up to receive a plaque, a souvenir photo, and 1,000 pesos cash from Honorable Dan Fernandez, or gift check, sorry, gift check. Our second runner-up for Miss Photogenic goes to present the award is, we would like to request Miss Carla Paula Henry, Miss Earth 2008. Miss Binyan, Miss Photogenic, Barangay Casile, Miss Irene Joy Gapan, candidate number 3. Candidate number 3, patingin naman daw ng iyong souvenir photo. There you have it. Now let's call in our first runner-up for Miss Photogenic. Our first runner-up for Miss Photogenic, Miss Binyan 2009, goes to candidate number Micah Agustin, candidate number 13, Barangay San Antonio. runner-up, Miss Photogenic, Barangay San Antonio, Micah Agustin. And now, our Miss Photogenic for Miss Binyan 2009, again, to be presented by Miss Carla Paula Henry, Miss Earth 2008. Congratulations! You are the Miss Photogenic for Miss Binyan. Barangay Binyan, Aina Camille Trinidad, candidate number 1. Thank you very much, Ms. Carla Paula Henry, for presenting the award for our Miss Photogenic winners. Now, to present the award for our Mr. Photogenic, we would like to call in Mr. Onin Mas, the marketing manager of Ever Banana Incorporated. Of Hernandez Resort. Thank you very much, Mr. Willie Hernandez.